Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your engine air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Before we begin, ensure your engine is cool and you have your new filter ready. You'll find the air filter housing on the passenger side near the front of the engine compartment. Let's get started. Now that you've located the air filter housing, look for the two metal clips on the top. These are often called butterfly clips and are easy to unlatch. Simply pull them up and away from the housing. Once released, you can carefully lift the top portion of the airbox and push it back slightly. This will give you enough space to easily access and remove the old, dirty engine air filter. With the housing open, carefully pull out the old air filter. Take a moment to check for any leaves or debris inside the airbox and clean it out. Now, take your new, clean air filter. Notice the rubber seal around its edge. This needs to sit perfectly. Gently slide the new filter into place, making sure it's fully seated and the bottom tabs of the housing align correctly. It should fit snugly. Once your new filter is perfectly in place, bring the top half of the airbox back down. Ensure the housing halves align properly, especially the tabs on the bottom. Then, firmly push the two metal clips back down until they snap securely into place. Double-check that everything is sealed tightly. You've successfully replaced your engine air filter. This simple task helps your engine breathe better, improving efficiency and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.